Hi, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the wonderful world of cloves, the tiny aromatic buds that are not only a staple in our spice racks, but also pack a powerful punch when it comes to health benefits. So, grab a cup of clove tea, sit back, and let's spice up our knowledge about cloves. Let's kick things off by talking about the fiber benefits of cloves. Did you know that just 1 teaspoon of ground cloves contains over 2 grams of fiber? Impressive, right? Fiber is essential for our digestive health, as it helps to keep things moving smoothly. Cloves can also help to lower cholesterol levels and regulate blood sugar. Eugenol, the active compound in cloves, has been shown to have a positive impact on insulin levels, making them a valuable spice for those managing diabetes or looking to stabilize their blood sugar levels. Plus, adding a sprinkle of cloves to your meals can give them an extra burst of flavor without the need for sugar. So if you're looking to keep your gut happy and healthy, cloves are that fantastic pal you should have. Hold on still, there's more. Cloves also boast impressive antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. Studies have shown that eugenols have powerful antimicrobial properties, making them a great natural remedy for oral health and disease. Cloves have been used for centuries in traditional medicine to ease inflammatory discomfort and promote overall well-being. Let's not forget about the effects of cloves on aging. The antioxidants present in cloves can help protect the body from oxidative stress and may contribute to a more youthful appearance. Who knew that this humble spice could be a secret weapon in the fight against premature aging? Now let's talk about the benefits of cloves in providing relief from respiratory conditions, such as breathing difficulty. Cloves in a hot pan can produce fumes that can help clear respiratory clogs when inhaled. Also, chewing raw cloves can help alleviate sore throats and pharynx inflammation, while clove tea aroma can help with cold, asthma, and bronchitis cures. Cloves contain magnesium, calcium, and potassium in smaller amounts, and incorporating them into your diet can provide a flavorful way to boost your mineral intake. You can have your cloves in several ways, like chewing raw or boiling. They can also be used in cooking to spice up some aroma in your meals. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe for more health tips.